Do you print minis in the cold? I print minis in the cold. How do you keep them warm? It's a great question. So we print with resin. I do it in Ohio, and for about 6 months out of the year, it's going to be below our temperature that we want. I also print in our garage, which is unheated and exposed to the elements. So, Mr. Heat Enclosure. This was actually made around, I'll show you the entire thing, a cardboard box. As a matter of fact, it's the cardboard box that the printer came in. Cut it down a little bit to fit my space. And then this is mostly the insulating material that came with my printer, as well as the wash station and whatnot that I bought off of Amazon. It works great. I don't have any problem with the materials. I just taped it onto a box. I made sure to cut off the bottom so that I can just set it in front of my Mars. I don't have to move the printer at all. As a matter of fact, since I set this down, I haven't moved this printer. All I've done is taken off the lid. I did make sure to put a little backstop here, more of the foam insulating. And then way in the back, I've got Mr. Heater. Let me bring it over to the other side. So just a small space heater that plugs right into the wall and is put in a thermostat. Doesn't make much noise, so it just runs in my garage. It's on a thermostat. I keep it to 77. Most of the time when I come out here, it's turned off. It's not actively heating. So with all the insulation, it is pretty efficient. I also keep a bottle of resin back there so that if I have to add to my vat, the resin's at the same temperature. And then if I have to drain the vat, the resin's still at the same temperature. So between that and the box, I don't have any problem printing in the cold. It gets really, really chilly out here, and it's sometimes a breath of fresh air when I come and take the box off and get hit with a little bit of heat, right? We'll see how it goes through the summer, but works out well for me. Use what you got around, especially on stuff like this. There's no reason to spend a lot of money. I use the packaging materials, some duct tape, and then I think the little heater cost me 20 bucks. So I'd much rather do that than spend a lot of money on one of those pre-made enclosures. Any questions? You know where to hit it.